Welcome back to the channel Mr. DF Home Motor USA, the place where we explore the most futuristic, luxurious, and jaw-dropping vehicles in the world. Today's video is something truly special. We are looking at an incredible futuristic luxury motorhome RV that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie. This stunning vehicle combines modern technology, high-end comfort, and bold futuristic design to create one of the most impressive luxury RV concepts you will ever see. The first thing that instantly grabs your attention is the exterior design. This luxury motorhome comes in a beautiful silver white color that gives it a clean, premium, and ultra-modern appearance. The body lines are smooth, aerodynamic, and carefully sculpted to create a sleek look that feels both elegant and futuristic. The silver white finish is perfectly complemented by glossy black accents that run along the windows, roof edges, and side panels, giving the vehicle a sharp contrast and a high-end luxury feel. Integrated white LED lighting strips run across the front, sides, and rear of the RV, creating a glowing futuristic signature that makes the vehicle look incredible at night. Moving toward the front of the motorhome, the design feels almost spaceship-like. The windshield is massive and slightly curved, providing the driver with an expansive panoramic view of the road ahead. The front LED light bar stretches across the width of the vehicle, acting as both a headlight system and a design statement. These LEDs are not just stylish but also extremely functional, offering excellent visibility during night driving and bad weather conditions. When we talk about size and presence, this luxury RV is built to dominate the road. The vehicle features a large, extended body designed to maximize interior living space while still maintaining aerodynamic efficiency. The smooth edges and hidden panel lines help reduce wind resistance, which improves overall driving stability and fuel efficiency. Now let's step inside this futuristic motorhome, because the interior is where things get truly exciting. As you enter, you are welcomed by a luxurious lounge-style living area that feels more like a five-star hotel suite than a vehicle. The interior design focuses heavily on comfort, modern aesthetics, and smart technology. High-quality leather seating, soft ambient lighting, and polished surfaces create an environment that feels warm, relaxing, and incredibly premium. The seating area is designed for maximum relaxation during long journeys. Large reclining sofas provide plenty of space for passengers to sit back and enjoy the ride. Some versions of luxury motorhomes like this even include rotating captain chairs so passengers can turn toward the living area and socialize. A large smart entertainment screen is usually mounted on the wall, turning the RV into a moving cinema where you can watch movies, stream content, or even play games. Another impressive part of the interior is the fully equipped kitchen. Luxury RVs of this category usually feature a modern compact kitchen with premium appliances. You can expect to find an induction cooktop, built-in microwave, refrigerator, sink, and stylish cabinets for storage. The kitchen area allows travelers to prepare meals easily, making long road trips much more comfortable and convenient. Moving further inside, the motorhome typically includes a private bedroom area. The bedroom is designed to provide the same level of comfort you would expect in a luxury hotel. A large king or queen size bed sits in the center, surrounded by soft lighting and storage compartments. Some luxury